starting this in the living room for like the last few weeks now. It's kind of interesting, huh? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is officially single digits in the morning. That tells you what I don't know what time it is. Me and Mom are actually getting ready to go to the bank and then go look for your homegirl's car. Today. See this face? See this face? This face is a face of excitement. I'm pretty much ready. I'm gonna put on a face, but I'm pretty much ready. I'm waiting for that one in there to get ready. But right now, I need a face on. Well, I need a yeah. Whatever. Mission for the day. Go to the bank. Go find a car. Buy the car. Come home. Get ready for class. Go to class. Come home. Do homework. Relax. Oh yeah, and in between all of that, drink good water. Ready? Set. Let's go. I have a fiery passion of hatred for when my eyeshadows explode in my bag. There, I said it. Therefore, I have to say, I never liked you anyway. She's telling me to take her car to get it detailed.
Yep, I sure am.
We are in the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The one I saw on Drivetime. I am in love with this car. I got in it and I fell in love. I was like, oh yes, butter. She's silver like Mom's, but she's smaller. And she has something my mom says. That right there? That right there? That is butter right there. Oh my goodness. The screen for the radio is a lot bigger. And I'm in love. I want this one.
Okay, we're ready to go?
Waiting to get to see if no.
A happy child.
Yes.
What time is it? It's after 1.
It's not after. Her and my grandmother.
But she loves me.
There are times I question that statement.
But she loves me.
Right now is one of those times.
But she loves me.
We're waiting to see if I can get this car. I love this car too much. I drove it around the block and I was like, yes.
Is Cookie even a real character?
Stop rushing me, man.
Hey, boo-boo, I want to go get my picketed basket. So, gross.
I had to.
So, ow! Update to the situation. I am not getting the Outlander Sport like I wanted. Instead, I am getting a Mirage. She's a compact hatchback Mirage. And, I had to tell my teacher, I had to email my teacher that I had car trouble, which I did. And that I would not be coming to class tonight, which I won't.
You know we can
But she's coming. But I have my homework. I'm doing my homework for next time. I'm doing a project that's due. And I will be there on Monday, which I will. But I am happy. I'm excited. I've already given them my down payment. I just got to go take them my child support stuff. And I have to, and I switched over my insurance. I took Cherry off of my insurance. And sometime on Monday, I'm going to stop by the DMV and drop off that license plate of mine. But for right now, let's go get my car! Last time I'm fueling this one up, at least until me and Mom take a trip together in this one.
One of the biggest music merch.
But I doubt it. I'm excited. Now, my car is going to have a CD player. I might go get some CDs for it. Not quite sure. But yeah. Mom's car need a drink. My car might need a drink. I don't know. They might actually fill it up. We'll see. But I definitely have to stop and get some stuff for it before I come home. So me and Bunny might not immediately come home after I get my car. I'm excited. Bunny's excited. Mommy's excited. This is going to be fun. I'm excited. Very excited. Why must you?
Because I mean, you need to be at least 3,000 higher. Even the cheapest vehicles or Honda Accent would be 5.
Are you excited?
You know, something like
You're
that.
witnessing me buy my first car.
I mean, they almost right ask for the full price. You know,
Okay.
And she's buying it without me.
Buying my first car. No, this is not my first car. Hush. But I'm buying my first car. Buying, purchasing on my own my first car. That's what it is. Adulting.
Her own.
On my
Her own.
on my own. That's the key word there. Everything's done. Everything's said and done. I'm waiting for him to gas her up and put the tag on, bring me the keys, and then we're gonna go. I'm not intending to end this vlog until tomorrow morning when I show you the car. So we're gonna go do some things and then tomorrow morning we'll end the vlog with the car. Showing you the car. It's amazing. My car has been purchased. Me and Bunny are now at Walmart. And I don't know what the heck she's doing. Can we go? Can you put it back so we can go? Okay, me and Bunny have made it home. And like I said, I'm not going to go out there and show the car just yet because it's kind of dark outside and you can't see it. So there'd be no point in me showing you the car if you can't see it. Hold on. Daisy!
Yeah.
Thank you. I absolutely love my tripod. What I am going to do, however, is I'm going to show you some things I got from my car that I did not have in Cherry. So, let's call this Let's call this Dani's new car haul. Mind you, I don't think I'm done. I got some other stuff I want to get for the car. But this is some initial stuff that I got for the car that I didn't have for Cherry. Now, starting with cleaning wipes. I kind of really needed some cleaning wipes So I got some for the car to keep her clean because she's brand new. She's a 2017. So need some wipes to clean her up when she gets dirty, especially on the inside. I got this USB organizer. It holds phones, tablets, change, accessories. There's a plug so that I can plug it into the car, into the cigarette lighter of the car, and I can charge mine and Bunny's stuff up in this, and I can slip it next to me so that it's like right there. We got this. This is a 5-piece car kit. It has 2 front seat covers, a steering wheel cover, a car visor organizer, and a vent clip. I thought it had a back seat cover. I gotta find a back seat. I gotta find this particular design, a back seat cover. But I love it because if you look at what the design is, it's a feather. It's pretty awesome. And it's purple. The feather at least is purple. I got this organized and secure cargo. It's a hammock for the back of the car. As you can see, you can use it to organize your grocery bags or anything that goes in the trunk of your car. So like if I go grocery shopping and I have like all these bags, I can just slide them into the hammock and not have to worry about them going this way or that way. Now, I had one of these in cherry, but it wasn't quite complete, so I have one. It is a auto safety kit. It's this case, a trunk organizer built into the carrying case, so I have more storage for my trunk. It has a jumper cable, because if you look at my jumper cables that I had for Cherry, they just need to be recycled safely because they're brack. They're so brack, it's not even funny. It's fire hazard broken. I have a tow strap. I have a flashlight, batteries, safety gloves, rain poncho, SOS sign, roadside assistance included, and it comes with a first aid kit that has bandages, snips, instruction card, gauze pads, and moist towelettes. Pretty neat, huh? I have this 14-inch folding lug wrench. Now, if you don't know how to change a tire, this is something you need to change a tire with. So, a regular lug wrench does not fold, so you can't easily store it. But this one has these little these that you can twist. And lock each arm in place before you use it. And I find it pretty cool, and it's probably going to be very useful, especially if I get a flat. Now, my car is brand new, and it should come with a jack, but just in case, I have 2 of them now because I bought a 2-ton jack. And my car is a compact car, so I kind of would need it in case my car actually did not come with its own jack. But next time I get a flat tire, I am very well prepared. And my mom has had this for a while, but she's giving it to me. It is a Carolina Panthers license plate cover. It's not going to go in my car until I get my permanent plate. Until I get my permanent plate for the car. So, yeah. That's what I got from my car so far. I also got this. This is an air freshener. Now, this comes with an air freshener for the vent, but so it's nice to have a backup for when this one runs out. So that's the haul for the stuff that goes to organize my car for right now. But you haven't seen my car yet. When will you get to see my car? Well, my handsome friend, you'll get to see my car tomorrow when the sun's up. Because it's 9 o'clock and usually I end my vlogs at 9 o'clock and you won't get to see my car until tomorrow. I'm going to leave you with some parting thoughts. And then we will pick this up tomorrow morning when the sun is shining and you can officially see my new whip. Tubebuddies will help you with your website if you are a brand new YouTuber, if you're a small YouTuber and you've been and you see your numbers not really growing or you're not seeing any growth in your channel. Tubebuddies will help you grow. They have tools that help you with your tags, with your thumbnails, analytics. They have a subscriber count. They have a milestone counter. So go to tubebuddies.com/Wonderland18. That is my affiliate link. And that's why for the last few vlogs I've been mentioning it. So if you go to tubebuddies/Wonderland18 and make a purchase, not only will you be helping your YouTube channel out, but you'll be helping out your girl too, just a little bit. And if you really want to help me out, go check out my Patreon page. The link is down there in the description. I'll be sure to put a link somewhere up here for you to go check out my lovely Patreon page so that you can further help out your girl with her YouTubes and her causes and everything else like that. And even my car payment. No, I'm kidding. Maybe I am. I don't know. It's part of YouTube life. You can also check out my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff, because I'm constantly posting pictures on Instagram. I'm constantly writing tweets. I am writing stuff on both the vlog channel's Facebook page and the media channel's Facebook page. There's a reason why there's two different ones. One announces movies. One is just random things from the vlog channel. That's it. So be sure to go check those out. Those are in the description below. I will even put the link for Drivetime in the description because that's where I got my car from and they are awesome. And as you can see flashing on your screen, this is not a sponsored ad for Drivetime. I'm just saying, just out of the bottom of my heart and the wonderful experience that I just had, Drivetime is an awesome place to go get your car, especially if you have boo credit. So, you want to go see my car now? Okay, let's go see my car now. feels so good to have my own car again. So, guys, that was my new car. I promised you guys I'd do it, and, you know, I slept last night, of course, because I was tired because I was at the dealership all day yesterday. But, got my new car. It's beautiful. It's mine. And I love it. Its name is Thunder. So, I have to go. I'm going to end this vlog and begin today's vlog because it is current day and I got to start today's vlog. But I promised you guys I'd show you the car in daylight, and it's daylight and I showed it to you. Now, you guys, remember to go check out Tubebuddies with the affiliate link Wonderland 18. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm thinking of some ways to be creative with this vlog. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Or go to the community tab and comment there. That'd be great. I do Twitter polls, so follow me on Twitter so you can comment on what I should do a YouTube video on, a subject that I could do a short film on, something, anything that you would like, even to say hi, I subscribe to you, you're awesome, or whatever. So I love you guys. You guys are beautiful. You guys are whoa so inspirational to me, and I would like for you guys to remember to be kind, be brave, be awesome every single day. And one more thing. One love. Go out and spread that dokie. Night Wonderland.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.